Hello, my name is Luz Ángela Puente Martinez, and today I'm going to present the task 2 about consonant sounds. Consonant sounds are produced by blocking the air when it moves through the mouth. There are two types of consonant sounds, voiced and unvoiced consonants. Voiced consonants make a sound using the vibration of the vocal cords in larynx. The easiest way to identify a voiced consonant is to place your finger on your throat. If you feel a vibration, then the consonant is voiced. Unvoiced consonants, there is no vibration in vocal cords. They make sound using the movement of air through parts of your mouth. Let's go to see some examples. Voiced consonants: b, bat, crab; dark, ahead; g, got, tag; this, father; judge, rush; let, tell; man, team; you, yes; nail, never; ring, singer; right, scary; very, above; wet, away; pleasure, beige; crazy, zero. Unvoiced consonants: pear, cup; fine, wife; tall, heat; thin, both; cherry, much; saw, house; shape, push; cap, lack; hair, ahead. Thanks.